Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to switch between the new Outlook and the classic Outlook in 2026. Now Microsoft allows you to move back and forth easily depending on the version that you prefer. So here is how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to open the Outlook application on your computer. Now if you are using the new Outlook, you just have to look at the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see a toggle button to basically switch from the new Outlook to the classic Outlook. So here if it is turned off, Outlook will restart and switch back to the classic Outlook version. If you are already in the classic Outlook option, here on the top right hand corner you will see the option of try new Outlook. So when you turn the toggle on, Outlook will reload and open the new Outlook interface in front of you. During the switch, Outlook may also ask you to confirm your choice and confirm your password. So you just have to allow those. And once you do this, all of your emails, folders, and your accounts will stay exactly the same after switching. Now, if the toggle button is missing here inside your application, as you can see, there is no such toggle button available in my application too. You just have to click on the option of help tab here on the top. Here you will find the option of go to the classic Outlook because currently I'm using the new Outlook. So when you click on it, it is going to ask for the feedback and it is going to take some time to basically submit your preferences, and it will ask you for your password and switch from the new to the classic Outlook in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.